Namaskar, my students. Your today's chapter is factors and multiples. Now let's see what is even numbers and what is odd numbers. If unit digit of a number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then this number is called even numbers. What is the unit digit? If the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it will be an even number. And what is an odd number? If the unit digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, unit digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then that number is called odd number. Now see that divisibility rule of some numbers. Without dividing a number, we can tell that if the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. So now let's check about divisibility of 2. In that case of 2, you will see that last digit only. If the unit digit is even number, then that number is divisible by 2. If the unit digit is even number, then that number is divisible by 2. Here what is the unit digit? It is unit digit is 2. So 2 is an even number, as we know before that 2 is an even number, so this number is divisible by 2. And if it is odd number, then we cannot divide this number by 2. Now let's check the divisibility of 3. How to find if a number is divisible by 3 or not? We will do one thing. We will add all the digits of a number. We will add all digits of a number. What is the number here? 3232. So we will add all of this. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. What will be this one? 10. Can we divide 10 by 3? If we can divide that, if we can divide sum of all digits by 3, then we can divide this number by 3. Here what is the sum of the digits? It is 10. So we cannot divide 10 by 3, so we cannot divide this whole number by 3. Now let's check which number we can divide by 4. We'll see that last 4 digit, last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit from the extreme right hand, from the extreme right we will consider last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the full number can divisible by 4. What is the last 2 digit here? Last 2 digit is 32. Can we divide 32 by 4? Yes, 4 8 is 32. If we can divide last 2 digit by 4, then we can divide whole digit by 4. Now let's see the divisibility rule of 5. We will see that unit digit only. In this case, we will see that unit digit only. If the unit digit is either 0 or 5, then we can divide this number by 5. Otherwise, we cannot divide this number by 5. We will see that unit digit only. Unit digit here, what is the unit digit? It is 0. So if that unit digit is 0, we can divide this number by 5 without doing that real division. We can find. Now how to find if a number is divisible by 6 or not? What we can do, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. Now how to check if this number is divisible by 2 and 3? Now do one thing. What is the unit digit here? Unit digit is 0. And do you know that if unit digit is 0, then that number is even number. So this number can be divisible by 2. Now let's check if we can divide this number by 3. Now what we do, we have to add all of the digits of this number. 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. What is this sum? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 0 0, 8 plus 0 8. So what will be that sum? Sum will be 8. Can we divide 8 by 3? No, we cannot divide 8 by 3. So this number cannot be divisible by 6. So up to this is there in your class. The rest we will do in another class.